anniversary Corvette here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This one's a 40th anniversary, 1993 Chevrolet Corvette convertible. Both top cars, so we have the soft top and the hard top. We'll check out those later in the video. Riding on the correct saw blades, as you can see, ruby red 40th anniversary paint. LT1 5.7 liter underneath the hood. Automatic transmission with overdrive, of course, power steering, power brakes, AC. Clean Carfax. No accidents indicated. Confirmed miles. 59,138, I believe, is on the odometer at the moment. Let's take a look at this front fascia. Of course, the C4 emblem on the hood. Now, there are some spots where they've taken some matching paint, and there's some touch-up. Obviously, car's been driven a little bit with 59,000. That's the best part. Get in, drive it, enjoy it, have some fun, put the top down. These C4s, a lot of bang for the buck. Take your time looking through the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. If you're watching it on YouTube, you'll see what I'm saying. Again, click on the link down below in the description, or you can call us 507-386-1726. Let's go ahead and take a look down this passenger side. Would have the ruby leather interior, ruby cloth top, and we're going to check that out too. Like I said, before the end of this video, I'll show you how it goes up and down. It is a manual top, very simple to use. You can see up and down the passenger side, not full of any major dings, scratches. Leather bucket seats. Of course, the shifter on the center console. We'll get around to the driver's side, check that out a little bit closer. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. There's a few of these inserts too, or kind of, I guess, louvers, if you will, that go over the taillights, and I'll include those with it. There's also the front license plate bracket filler, and those are the brackets for the hardtop when we go to put those on in the hardware. That'll all be back in the car. And once again, still pictures. You'll be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay. UniqueClassicCars.com. Let's take a look up and down this driver's side. If you like Corvettes, whether it be C4, C3, C6, new C8s, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And you never know what you may see come through here. A lot of different cars, big variety. You might have street rods, hot rods, turn of the century stuff, late model. Just like cars, go ahead and subscribe. As you can see, driver's side, not full of nicks, dings, scratches either. You might find a real light scratch, or like I said, a touch up here or there. The car's been driven. And hopefully on to the next owner that will enjoy it and drive it also. Let's take a little closer look at the interior. Of course, your modern amenities with the power windows, power locks, power mirrors. We do have the sill protectors here. Of course, leather seating surfaces. A little bit of wear on the bolster, which is common. Tilt column, of course, cruise control. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. Take a peek at those exact miles. All right, so there's your exact miles. So 59,138, sounds right. That's just the door ajar light. So no check engine lights, no indicators like that, service engine soon or anything. Of course, automatic climate control here, AM, FM, CD player. Some added 5.7 liter LT1 badging. Dash looks good. As far as the steering wheel column, pretty tight. Don't use the steering wheel to assist yourself getting out. It will loosen up that column. This one, not bad at all. They can get loose. Slip around to the back so you hear it run. Sounds like a stock LT1. Nothing crazy or over the top as far as the exhaust goes. Something else I want to check out with you is how about the headlights? All right, headlights work, and we do have a more modern, I guess, halogen it looks like, possible headlight, but a lot brighter than the stock ones would be. So aftermarket headlight in there. As you can see, over the blue tint. And closed properly also. Let's go ahead and pop this hood, check the engine bay, and then we'll take a peek at that top. I'll show you how it goes up and down, and we'll get that hard top on and check on that one and see how that looks. There's a good look at the underside of the hood. Both lights working. Here we go. 5.7 liter. Again, power steering, power brakes. AC, nice, clean, and tidy. And remember, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. There's a tread as far as tires go. Down to the passenger side. Has been converted to 93, would have still been R12, has been converted. What, 134A? All right. Let's go ahead and check out this soft top. Like I said, I'm going to show you how easy it is to put it up, put it back down, and we'll move on to that hard top. And let's take a look at the condition of the top now. As you can see, manual top, very simple to put up and down, a minute or less. Side glass is tinted, so know your local and state laws as far as percentage of darkness of tint that you can have. Cloth top matches the ruby color of the car. Now, there are a couple wear spots from it being folded down and driven. Nothing that's really gonna affect the performance or how this top functions. Rear window clear. And passenger side, and you can see how the glass fits. I make sure I had that rolled up so you could see it. And again, tinted windows, and then a couple little wear spots on this side too. A little tiny hole right there. But again, nothing that's really going to affect how that top functions. And honestly, how often are you going to have it up? Especially with a convertible. All right, so there is the soft top, and we still have the hard top that I want you to see on here, and we'll check out the condition of that. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how this top folds back into the tonneau cover and gets put away and stored. And then we'll get the hard top on, take a little peek at that, wrap this video up. And last but not least, here it is with the hardtop on. So as you can see, the ruby red color to match the car. Does have the smoked rear window too, so it matches the side glass when the side glass is up. Appears to be nice shape, has a nice shine to it. Alright, there you go. So hard top, soft top, and a convertible. 1993 40th anniversary Corvette. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1993 Chevrolet Corvette. There's a little mist coming down, but we can't seem to avoid that today. It's enough for me to show you that the wipers do work on this car. Very nice running Corvette, nice looking Corvette. We got that beautiful burgundy color inside and out, contrasted with black. Digital speedometer, digital fuel gauge. All working well, 3/4 of a tank. This is only showing 59,139 miles, which is, feels about right. Nice low mile looking car. Factory stereo is working. Oil pressure about 60. Oil temperature is right at the bottom. It's still warming up. Engine temperature about 170. Our battery gauges showing charging. Factory tachometer on the left here is working. This is an automatic on the center console, which makes it super easy to drive. Cruise control is functioning. Beautiful factory leather seats, Corvette only style seats. They have some nice bucket seats in the Corvettes, and these are the good ones from 1993. Get that mister one more time. Very good acceleration. If I didn't mention it yet, this is a convertible. We have a soft top up today. Wind noise is not too bad at all, even on a windy Minnesota day. One more time with the wipers. Very good running, good handling Corvette. Corners nicely, brakes working very well. Take a look at all the pictures and learn more about it at uniqueclassiccars.com.